Hi, my name is Veselin Vasilev, IT architect at XPlus, and today I'm gonna show you how to quickly innovate your IT data stack. Many organizations are still trapped in their journey from monolith applications architecture or tight coupling and data sharing to microservice one or share nothing and domain-driven, while the latter already started displaying some drawbacks and complexity requiring orchestration and state management. It also manifests challenges when implemented with parallel workloads, since it behaves like a synchronous system or a monolith application. Let's take the example of a bank that needs to authorize a card transaction from an acquirer, an action that must be completed within 1 second. Once the request is received, various internal microservices need to be contacted to check whether the card user is not banned, what the card limit and current balance is. If one of those microservices doesn't respond, our whole system is not able to reply back to authorize the transaction. The root cause is built in the nature of the request reply system, the fact that one must ask to receive. The fastest way to serve a request is when every business process already possesses all the information needed to deliver its service. And this is where the publish-subscribe mechanism brings its benefit. When every microservice publishes all major events or changes in its domain proactively, all interested parties can keep notes in a system of record of own convenience. In practice, the same authorization example would mean that the backend services would stream anytime a user is banned, or balance is changed, or limit is reached. The authorization engine could then materialize those changes in a fast access memory store, so when the request arrives, it can immediately be served. There are also collateral benefits in working directly on the stream and not with frozen images of the data. There is a great value in the metadata, such as the speed and grade of change between state changes. Let's look at an example stream in a domain-driven application architecture modeling a bank account. Accounts can be created, evolve over time, changing volume and properties, and can be closed. A typical request reply microservice on top represents a frozen image of the stream, which, even if scheduled at very small intervals, can still potentially miss out an important event. Notice how the account in the middle received multiple large amounts, which were immediately withdrawn, indicating potential fraud. The audit microservice, however, missed those events, because whenever it was asking, the account state was always normal. A microservice working directly on the stream observes absolutely all events. It opens a whole new horizon for analytics, allowing, for example, to create AI modeling for healthy account growth, and any anomaly outside of the established concrete user pattern will be flagged, leading to extremely safe and predictable environment. And this is where the second challenge with stream processing comes: the data modeling. Imagine that the same bank from the example must update their account number length due to new regulation. Do we simply discard all events that happened prior to that change? Because our microservice will no longer be able to understand and process them. We risk getting schema locked and again start designing schema first and not event first applications. On top, this innovative architecture involves using cloud-native technologies such as fast stream materialization in memory key stores, graphs, etc., increasing the importance of the underlying data model. They must be beautifully aligned in order to work correctly. It does require expert full-stack developers. So, if your organization is aiming for the top dev gurus, it can be home-built. However, if you want to focus on your business, there is an off-the-shelf product that implements that concept while doing all the heavy lifting. It lets you govern high level, allows freedom for your data evolution, automatically creates APIs and multi-channel projections of the stream. This product is called InformationGrid.